everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as I have already posted up the thumbnail in my community tab, most of you people are eagerly waiting to this video. So if you guys are interested to edit your photos in a simple manner at your home itself, so this is going to be the right option video for you all guys. So now without getting late, let's get started up. But before that, coming to my introduction, this is Jahnavi and you're watching Study with Jahnavi channel. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll get all my notifications on. And now let's move into the screen.
So just go to the Chrome and search for newspaper background, as we need a newspaper as our background. So search for that and go for images and select whatever the photo that you wanted to keep as your background. So I like this newspaper background to be, so I just downloaded. So after downloading, come back to the screen and open your Picsart app. After opening your Picsart app, go to new project, that is just click on plus icon. So after clicking on plus icon, select the photo that you wanted to give newspaper background. So this is the photo that I wanted to edit. So you can just see the options here. So just click on add photo. So after that you need to select the newspaper. So here I am just trying to drag it, but before that you can just see that newspaper has extra unnecessary done, so I just edited it. So now just drag that newspaper photo to entire picture. So drag with the options that are given. So after dragging that, so you can just see the blend option. Okay, in that blend option, just go for multiply option. Okay, so that it comes like this, and now start erasing the data that is present on your face. Okay, so start erasing by zooming according to your wish. Just start erasing. Yeah, I'm just doing this. So it is actually very easy process. You can just do this. Yeah, after just erasing, you can just check it out once, is it anything remaining or like that. So if it is like that, you can just erase it. Okay, so I have erased, and now I'll just check. See here in my hand it is there, so just erase that, and now it is totally erased, I hope. Yes, and now just what you all need to do is just click on tick mark, and now you can just give any other effects that is upon to you. So I'm just giving some effect to my face to be bright. So select whatever the effect that you want according to your photo, just click on tick mark, and now I'm just beautifying my face to smoothen. So these all are extra features that you can. So this is what the background thing. Okay, I'm just smoothing out my face, that's it. This is all about yourself, that is according to your convenience. So I'm just doing this, and now I'm just smoothing my face, just keeping below 10, and now just click on tick mark, and now my face tone, I'm just changing my face tone. You can just change your face tone according to your look. Okay, so I'm just keeping this face look, so I have changed it. So just click on tick mark, and now that is done. So just click on arrow mark, and now save to your gallery, and it is automatically saved in your gallery. And now I'm going to show you the proof as well. So go to gallery and see here, this is previous photo and this is the edited photo.
So yes guys, you have seen the video, right? This is going to be as simple as like this. So if you still want these type of tricks in editing, you can just comment us below or you can just mail us. So according to that, we'll make videos on these type of editing tricks. And also you can just follow us on social media. The links will be on the description box. Go through the links and you can just follow us on social media. And if you still not subscribed, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get all my notifications on. Thank you.